Hello everyone, this is Jimmy Singh, broker owner of Supermax Realty, 647-961-2639. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Real Estate Edge with Jimmy Singh. In today's video blog, I would like to discuss what is the future of condo living after the pandemic. So what kind of units we will be living in, and what are the future upgrades buyers and investors are looking to buy in Toronto, Greater Toronto Area, Golden Horseshoe. Pandemic certainly have confined all the peoples in the homes, especially condos, and it is forcing lot of condo dwellers to reconsider the way they live their life, and also they are making lot of builders to adapt about the future demands and requirements. So what are they trying to do? First thing, they are thinking of redesigning flexibility in the condo design and the layout. Over the course of a year and a half, I have seen sales in Toronto condos, 1+ den condo with extra bedroom or office is suddenly in great demand because people can use the flex space in condominium as an office, kids playroom, or maybe for entertainment or physical activities. Second trend I'm looking is big demand for balconies. Balconies with a view. If you can get a balcony in a view, that is also very, very desirable. And what the other trend I'm seeing is builders are thinking of moving the den at the entrance of the unit towards natural light exposure, because some of the units in downtown Toronto condos which we sell, their den is pretty, their lighting is not the greatest, and they want to make sure the future work from home scenario, the den should be close to windows. Second desirability builders, are considering for future is making smart kitchen designing, with hands-free, voice activated appliances. Those are also the cutting edge technology that will be part of our condo living in future. Another thing is, in pandemic, lot of condo dwellers in Toronto, they start cooking from home. Though Toronto is famous for world-class restaurants, but these things are very, very critical for future. Buying and storing food items requiring more pantry, storage space, large kitchen with full size appliances versus Euro style appliances. Some of the projects we dealt with in Greater Toronto Area, some of the builders are considering commercial component on the main level where they can have a grocery store. So people who work from home, it will create less footprint and take care of carbon emission as well, because if people drive less cars, they work from a good size condo unit, they can go on the main level, buy groceries, go back to your unit. So that is also very important. See, simply making bigger units won't cut it. So some kind of partitioning wall or some kind of adaptable space is also required. Another thing is extra bath. I think in future is also in great demand, as people might not be willing to share their bedroom or bathroom space. And especially if somebody is ordering online groceries, these appliances or all these devices, they also come handy. What clients will be looking in future is more flex space to accommodate different functions. So they can set up a small place where they can have a yoga studio, or they can have a space for entertainment. So for that, lot of designers, they are considering some kind of screens or adjustable walls to make it more functionable. Balconies, patios, they will be in great demand. Yes, it will cost builders more money to make a bigger balcony, but I think some sort of micro yard or rooftop gardens, they will be in great demand in future condo buildings. Second very important thing I think with pandemic is people concern of safety and health. So new air filtration system would be desirable in each and every unit, because they don't want cross contamination of airflow. Instead of a single vertical system, they want individual air filtration for each unit, because right now in some buildings ventilation is done, venting is done from each corridor or common place, but in future this will be in great demand. Antibacterial surfaces such as some copper on high touch areas, touchless systems at the front doors, elevators, common amenities, they will change the way condos will be desired and designed in future. Hygienic new finishes of natural materials, less porous materials, less carpet in the living room will be more desirable as well for the health and wellness of the residents of the condo building. Another future trend I see in Toronto condo living can be co-working spaces in the common amenities, with each individual space with some kind of glass partition. That will be a norm. Just like when we go to any big bank these days or any grocery store, they have some kind of plastic screen to shield. And they can also divide big open space like rooftop deck, barbecue areas, lounges for small group of people. So obviously they already have new protocols in place for stringent cleaning schedule for common areas, elevators, and I see moving forward some sort of reservation time or the limited capacity should be there for gyms or swimming pools in the condo building. And definitely constant cleaning, disinfectant, all those things will be required in high touch area. And another thing they can do is to put extra elevator. So they should limit people in the elevator. Yes, certainly adding elevator in a condo building will increase the cost, but that is something they can consider in the future condo living in core Toronto areas. And if you have a swimming pool, they require greater monitoring and purification of the water and sanitization. During pandemic, I have seen some managers of the building, because of the social distancing, all the amenities are closed. So they're getting more creative with social networking via virtual cooking classes, virtual yoga or Zoom classes, which are enjoyed by all the condo owners or residents in the building. And that also engage neighbors to socialize at a distance. So in future, if some emergency situation happen, just like pandemic, these things will be there for your benefit. Another thing I see in future condo buildings in Greater Toronto area or Golden Horseshoe is larger entrance foyers to create more buffer space between public and the private space. And lastly, I can see future, whether you're buying in Mississauga, Toronto, North York, Midtown, mixed use buildings will be in great demand, because lot of time companies want people to work from home. So there should be some kind of daycare, grocery store, some kind of restaurants on the main level that will give extra revenue for the building. but that should also be incorporated in future designs. So all these changes which I discussed, these are just the future vision which, everybody is striving for. Some changes might be temporary, they're just need of the hour, and some are here for the, long term. So it is a great time for all of us to plan post COVID-19 world, and we can I already see a good demand of condominium from my investors, first time buyers, because there's a big gap between a detached single family home and a condo price. There's a big divergence of it. So condo demand is here to stay. And also with the green belt legislation and less availability for land, whether it's whether it's Hamilton, whether it's Kitchener-Waterloo, whether it's Windsor, all these cities, future development is how to make it more densely populated, instead of making single family homes which are not that desirable. So all the policymakers have to think, all the international students who are coming, all the workers who are coming, they don't want $1.5 million house, they just want affordable housing in form of either subsidized government housing or condominium, which is the main driver or main provider for rental in Greater Toronto area. So I see a strong demand in summer of 2021 for condos. Moving forward, the demand will be strong, and in case you are an investor, you want to invest in a good project in Greater Toronto area for new pre-construction condos, give Supermax a call. Or if you are a landlord looking to rent your condo anywhere in Greater Golden Horseshoe, give us a call. You can reach me directly at 647-961 for a free market evaluation. Till next time, to your success, this is Jimmy Singh, Supermax Realty. Talk to you soon.